Today we're going to be demonstrating the folding sequence of a Horsch Tiger. Begin by completely raising the machine and raising the cutting discs out of the road. Remove any depth clips that are on the wings. Fold the wings up. Once the wings have been folded, put the road transport tap from field mode into road mode, and also lock off the top ring packer. And now completely lower the machine. Once the machine has been let right down, keep on holding the remote to suck in the packer tyres. May be necessary to make additional adjustments for road transport. Always reference your operator's manual before operating the machine.